Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Ian in Ohio on this Galaxy DX94 HP. Ian got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, set it up. Start with RF power all the way down. Our white slug. 5 watts all the way down, so you can run an amplifier if you choose to do so. 30 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low, about 60 bird average. 250 watt slug in peak. Low, about 140, 145 peak. Alrighty, and I got this ready to go for you. Appreciate you jumping on the website, www.truckcbsales.com, picking this up. If you'd like a tune-up video of your radio, please go to the custom order screen and select tune-up video amongst anything else you'd like to order. For your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.